Hello everyone, my name is Naveen, and in this video I am going to explain about the project which I have done recently. And the project is about creating a virtual mouse by using a MediaPipe library and OpenCV. And the project transforms your hand into a virtual mouse by using a webcam and by detecting hand landmarks with the MediaPipe and analyzing the hand gestures. It allows you to move the cursor and also perform operations like left click and right click and also double click screenshot. But in this project, I only implemented how to move the cursor and also the operations like left click and right click. First of all, I will show you the demo video. Then I will explain how it works. Wait a second. So this is the code. Now I am running. So it's running. Wait a second. Okay. Now see. Now the webcam is working. So you may see the landmarks in the hand. There are 21 landmarks, and the cursor moves whenever the thumb finger bring close to the index finger. Then only the cursor moves. You can see, so the cursor is moving. So it works only when thumb finger bring close to the index finger. If I maintain the distance, then the cursor won't move. And the left click works whenever the thumb is away from the index finger and the index finger is bent and the middle finger is extended. See, so you can see the text left click. So it only works when thumb is away from the index finger and the index finger is bent and the middle finger is extended. And the right click works whenever when only the index finger is away from that and middle finger is bent, index finger is extended. So we can see right click. So the cursor moves, and this is right left click, and this is right click. So the cursor is so you can see the icons became large in size. This is how it works. So, and I will open one image also. It works. And I will close it. Close it. This is how it works. And I'm stopping.